Hey guys, we are back with another set of cool gadgets from Amazon. So keep watching and let's get it on. Hover Camera X1. Introducing the Hover Camera X1, a drone like no other. Packed with cutting-edge technology, this remarkable device takes your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Equipped with advanced VIO, visual inertial odometry technology, and a TOF laser altitude determination system, the Hover Camera X1 offers unparalleled precision and control. With VIO technology, the drone utilizes its surroundings to precisely locate itself, allowing for centimeter-precise flying without the need for compass calibration. Say goodbye to the hassle of calibration, and hello to effortless, precise flight. Get ready to capture stunning aerial shots and breathtaking footage with the Hover Camera X1, the drone that combines innovation and simplicity for an unmatched flying experience. Husky Wine Cooler. Introducing the revolutionary Husky Wine Cooler, the next-generation ice bucket that takes wine chilling to a whole new level. With its innovative design, this remarkable cooler keeps your wine chilled for up to 6 hours, ensuring that every sip is enjoyed at the perfect temperature. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with melting ice, and hello to the ultimate wine accessory for any occasion. Whether you're at home, enjoying a day out on the boat, or anywhere in between, the Husky Wine Cooler is your trusty companion. No need for ice. Simply place your favorite bottle of wine inside and let the cooler work its magic. Hodo Rotary Toolkit. Discover the Hodo Rotary Toolkit, the ultimate companion for all your DIY projects. This versatile toolkit comes equipped with 35 types of multifunctional accessories, ensuring that you have the right tool for any task at hand. With a powerful 25,000 R/min high-speed motor, you can tackle various materials with ease and precision. The long-lasting 50-minute battery life allows you to work uninterrupted, while the lightweight 240G body ensures comfort and maneuverability during extended use. The mechanical knob provides precise control over speed and functionality, giving you the flexibility to adjust according to your needs. The removable dust cover keeps your work area clean and free from debris, maintaining optimal visibility. Camping Survival Shovel. Introducing the Camping Survival Shovel Multi-Tool, the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. This versatile tool is designed to be your go-to solution in any camping or emergency situation. With its durable and sturdy construction, it can tackle a range of tasks with ease. The shovel head allows you to dig, scoop, and clear debris, while the integrated tactical knife ensures you're always prepared for any situation. The addition of a rescue whistle adds an extra layer of safety, allowing you to alert others in case of an emergency. Plus, the German fire rod provides a reliable and efficient way to start a fire, even in challenging conditions. Sapphire Air 3. Experience the incredible You Like Sapphire Air 3. Purple IPL hair removal system, a game changer in achieving silky smooth skin. This advanced device harnesses the power of IPL, intense pulse light, and 21J high energy to target hair at its very root, effectively breaking the hair growth cycle for long-lasting results. With just 3 treatments per week, you'll start to see visible changes in as little as 3 weeks. Say goodbye to constant shaving or painful waxing sessions and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of You Like Sapphire Air 3. Get ready to unveil a new level of confidence with effortlessly smooth and hair-free skin that lasts. OBS BotMe. Meet the OBS BotMe phone mount, your ultimate companion for hands-free convenience and versatility. This incredible phone mount is designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. With its adjustable and secure grip, it holds your phone firmly in place, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content without the hassle of holding your device. Whether you're streaming, video chatting, or simply watching movies, the OBS BotMe phone mount ensures optimal viewing angles for maximum comfort. But that's not all. This mount goes above and beyond with its built-in features. It comes equipped with a 120 degrees wide-angle sensing camera, enabling it to see, track, and keep you perfectly centered in the frame as you move. Powered by a brushless motor, it offers smooth and jerk-free rotation, ensuring your videos are professional and seamless. Ofuzi Slim H7 Pro. Introducing the incredible Ofuzi Slim H7 Pro, the ultimate cleaning companion that takes the hassle out of tidying up. Designed to make your cleaning experience smooth and effortless, this lightweight powerhouse weighs in at just 1.0 pounds. Its feather-light construction allows you to effortlessly pick it up, maneuver it around your space, and tackle those hard-to-reach areas with ease. But that's not all. With its cordless design, the Ofuzi Slim H7 Pro takes convenience to a whole new level. Say goodbye to bulky, cumbersome cleaning tools, and say hello to a world of easy, efficient cleaning. Starry Hub Projector. Discover the Starry Hub Projector, a true game-changer in the world of wireless smart LED projectors. This remarkable device sets a new standard, offering unparalleled resolutions and exceptional results that leave other projectors in the dust. Prepare to be blown away by its 4K Ultra HD resolution, bringing your viewing experience to life with stunning clarity and breathtaking detail. With a remarkable brightness of 2200 ANSI lumens, every image is vibrant and captivating. But that's not all. The Starry Hub projector takes precision to a whole new level with its advanced laser autofocus technology, ensuring that your visuals are always crystal clear and perfectly in focus. Bosch Fresh Up. Introducing Bosch Fresh Up, the game-changing solution to banish unpleasant odors from your fabrics without the need for added chemicals. This innovative and portable device is here to revolutionize the way you tackle unwanted smells. Simply slip it into your backpack or handbag, and you're ready to go. Fresh Up works its magic by effortlessly dissolving odor molecules on your fabrics, no matter where you are. But that's not all. It goes above and beyond. Fresh Up also eliminates bacteria and viruses, giving you an added layer of cleanliness and peace of mind. Experience the freshness and convenience of Bosch Fresh Up, the ultimate odor-removing companion that you can rely on anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to a world of freshness with Bosch Fresh Up. Sukas Neos Electric Toothbrush. Introducing the Sukas Neos 2-in-1 Brushing and Flossing Electric Toothbrush, the ultimate tool for achieving optimal oral hygiene. This innovative device combines the power of both brushing and flossing, revolutionizing your dental care routine. With its advanced technology and ergonomic design, the Sukas Neos offers a comprehensive cleaning experience like no other. The brush head features high-quality bristles that effectively remove plaque and gently massage your gums, promoting oral health and a fresh feeling. Moza AI. Prepare to experience a new level of healing and comfort with the groundbreaking Moza AI RoboHands. This extraordinary device goes beyond the limitations of physical boundaries, offering therapeutic touch and soothing vibrations to those in need. With its 4D neck therapy capabilities, this innovative massager replicates the gentle caress of human hands, providing a profound sense of relaxation, rejuvenation, and comfort. But that's not all. Moza AI RoboHands doesn't just address physical ailments. It also nurtures emotional well-being. By incorporating a portable zero-pressure aromatherapy diffuser, Moza elevates the sensory experience, surrounding individuals with fragrances that uplift the spirit and calm the mind. Kadas Tone 2 Pro. Introducing the Kadas Tone 2 Pro amplifier, a game-changing audio device that takes your listening experience to new heights. Designed with precision and innovation, the Tone 2 Pro delivers exceptional sound quality and amplification capabilities. With its advanced circuitry and cutting-edge technology, it produces crystal-clear audio with remarkable accuracy and detail. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a gamer, or a movie lover, this amplifier elevates your audio experience to a whole new level.